Okay, my name is Juanita Kenner, and I am a 2.5-year-old, see, I'm flat. I am a 2.5-year breast cancer survivor, and this is my support and my twin sister, Georgia. Well, we moved from Maryland, and I was in the process of trying to get new doctors in the area, and I made out pretty good in that area because I found a family physician, and he recommended my gynecologist. So I made an appointment with him, and in the meantime, before I even went, I had, at the time I didn't know was a sign of breast cancer. It was a small indentation on my left breast, and I just thought with age, stuff like that happens, but evidently it's not supposed to happen. And so I went to the gynecologist and had an exam and everything, but nothing showed up. But then I came home, and in the shower, I did a self-breast exam, and I found a lump. So I called the gynecologist and went right back, and that day I was in for a mammogram, sonogram, and then he made an appointment for a biopsy. And within 13 days of being diagnosed, I had my first of 2 lumpectomies. So they moved pretty quickly down here, which is very good. Dr. Manning, I just love him. He is so sweet, and anybody that you talk to that has Dr. Manning as a doctor, they'll tell you the same thing. I love him. And talk to him. Of course, you first visit, you're scared, you don't know what to expect, and he walks you through what's going to happen, how many procedures you're going to have, and I had told him, I said, the only thing I'm scared about is being sick, and he assured me, he said, we're not going to let you get sick, and nauseated sick, and I said, okay, and I never ever nauseated sick after a chemo treatment, and he's wonderful. They make you feel like you're the most important patient walking through that door that day. They root for you, and they just give you the best medical care that they can possibly give you. And they're also friendly, and they smile. And in the cancer center, in chemo, I didn't think that I would like the pod area with the 4 chairs, but once you sit down and you share your story with other people getting chemo, and it's a lot of support even in the chemo room. She came with me a lot, and we crocheted baby blankets for the babies in the hospital, so we did a lot of that. When you go through so much, almost a year of treatment, and your last radiation treatment, when you walk out the door and you know that everything has been done that can be done, you know, it's kind of almost like a letdown. You feel like, well, now, you know, I've had all this help, all this time, all this support, and now it's me. Mm-hmm. And but it's not just you, because you go back and you get support, and they offer so many programs, and you're not alone in it anymore. They still take care of you. They take care of you, and they take care of your support people. We went to Camp Rockfish together, had a good time. That was real fun.
2 years we've been
2
there.
years we've been there. We've been to the survivors reception, 2 years. That was nice. Gosh, what else?
Ribbon walk.
Ribbon walk, 2 years in a row. I think we both look forward to Fridays. Art class. It's not just art. It's a bunch of people that's gone through or just starting their treatments, and people can say, you know, I know how you feel, but another cancer patient knows how you feel. And it's just fun to get there, and we support one another. We cheer the survivors, and we root on the ones that are just coming in the door. And we just have a great time, and there's a lot of laughter. You would never know that it was a room full of cancer patients.
We were coming back from art class. Shouldn't tell you this, but we were coming back from art class, and I'm reflecting. I had such a great time that first art class that I went to. It was down at was at North Pavilion.
Yeah.
And I was really excited, and I said to my sister, I said, I hate to even tell you this, but I think I'm benefiting from you having cancer. Isn't that awful?
Yeah, that was awful.
But yeah, I'm just glad that you were here.
I am too. My famous saying is, God puts you where you need to be, when you need to be there, and God put me at the door of Cape Fear Valley Cancer Center because I feel like I couldn't have got any better care anywhere.
Yeah.
I can't imagine somebody traveling to Duke or UNC. You could just good of care, or maybe even better, it's more personalized to me. If you're in the area, come to Cape Fear and you'll get the best care that you can get. And I'd like to make a statement. Now that I'm a cancer survivor, I got my looks back.
Here we go. Come on.
Georgia is no longer the prettiest twin. I'm the prettiest now. You can be the prettiest. Oh yeah, well, I always was.